Hi there, this is a video review unboxing of this Knight Rider Diecast collectible by Jada Toys. It's officially licensed by GM. See right here. It's Knight Rider kit toy. It's cool detail. This is the box. I believe this is at a 1/24 scale model. And let's get it open. My trusty knife. Break too much the box. Here it is out of the box. Comes with this little, like a diorama background piece. Little explosion in the back. See the dirt. See all the detail. Little laser. The scanner. Okay. Get it out of this. There's a screw here you gotta remove to get it out of the package. Do that real quick. Okay, there it is. Backdrop's cool. Save that. Screw. And here it is. Very cool. Doors open. You can see the interior. Pretty cool details. Got another door. See the underside. Says 2019 Universal Studios. This is said 1982 Pontiac Firebird, official license. The scale is 1/32. Scanner detail. It even has the license plate. You can see right there. Look how cool that looks. Knight Rider. That's a little spoiler. And the thing is, the interior in the show was, I think, beige. So that's not accurate. But looks pretty cool. It rolls. That's it. Boxing of the Knight Rider 132 scale from Jada Toys, and this is from their Hollywood Ride series. Go check them out.